Okay, it's time for today's CSS Battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay, that looks interesting. Okay, let's use nested templates. Make this background that light greeny colour. Make this have a conic gradient. Now then, I think we will go from -90 degrees, green, no, transparent, 75%, and then pink, 0. But before we do that, let's actually make this the right size. So let's just comment that out. Make this red, just temporarily. And then slap some margins on. 20, 80, 0, 80. Right, -8. Let's hit diff so that we can see. Okay, that needs to be more. That'll be 42. This looks like it'll be 90. No, 78, 68, 67. With any luck, this will be the same, so it blatantly won't be. Oh no, it is. That's good. Although, I think I actually want to come in further than that. We're going to use a border. So yeah, let's come in further than that. How wide is this? We'll call that 75. 125. So 50. Seven. Oh, 117 looks good. And then also here, so that should be 92. Okay, cool. Then we get rid of that. Do that. We don't shift it anywhere. We make it 125, 225, so 100 wide, which probably means it's also 100 pixels tall, and that will give us all of that middle. And then you should be able to do border, solid, 50 pixels, this color. Well, that didn't go well, did it? Okay, let's change these back. 42 will get me that right. That would be 67, 67, and that mostly does what we need. But we need to do border, bottom, none. That will cover it. That will do us. Hit submit, check that we're 100%. That is indeed 100%. Right, is there... Right, well, number one, we'll change 100 pixels to 25 VW. 25 VW. We can take that out of there. Is there a better way of doing border bottom? None. Can we use a 0? Yeah. So that'll make that a little bit smaller. We can get rid of that. Can we get rid of that 0? No, 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 no. Now then, if we did 50%, 25%, and a 0, could we save some characters? I think we possibly could. So let's take that out, make that 50%, 75%, and then transparent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 characters. Should have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's about the same length, never mind. Anyway, we'll hit minify and submit. That's not bad. Now, is there any other way we could have done that? If I had started with the pink top right hand corner, I might be able to. Let's mess with that. So let's go pink for 25% and then transparent, and then we just shift it 50 pixels. No, maybe 100 pixels. And 25 pixels. No, that would have been 50 pixels too. 100 pixels? Yeah. It's got to be... That's exactly backwards. So let's make that 50 pixels, and that looks good. That saved us all 4 whole characters. Could we do these as percentages? It'd be 33.3%, so not really. So I think that's as good as we're going to get. So, yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.